Welcome back to my channel. So my name is Keymee, and we're gonna be doing another hair review. So this unit was sent to me from Klaiyi hair, and y'all know I love their curly hair. This is actually gonna be their body wave hair. So you do get goodies inside your box. You get the lashes, the scarf, the wig cap, and you get something else, but you do get goodies in your box. So this is actually going to be a lace part wig, and then it says it is a rich brown color. For me it looks kind of like a orange ginger brown kind of color. So when I first got this wig, I was expecting it to be like brown, not like the color it is, so that's why I looked a little shocked. But it is supposed to be their rich brown color unit. The length that I did get is going to be 24 inches, and it does have two combs on each side and then a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. So since this is just going to be like a lace part unit, it's very simple to install, so that's why this tutorial is going to be very quick. So I'm gonna just go ahead and start by brushing this unit. It is going to be their body wave, excuse me, so that's why it looks the way it does right now. You can go in and touch it up if you want to, kind of curl the hair, or you can go in and wet the hair up, with some mousse and stuff. I decided to go ahead and straighten this unit, so I did go in with some heat protecting spray. You'll notice that heat protecting spray is a little bit too oily. I like the, what is it, the heat zone, or it's another one that's really good. But this heat protectant spray kind of weighed the hair down, so it made it a little bit too oily, which I did not like. So I should have probably used my Chi silk infusion instead of using this as well. But I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten this hair because I thought it would be pretty straightened. So the hair, it did not shed a lot at all. The only kind I did have is it has filler hairs in it, so be mindful of that. But you do see that the hair did straighten, so you can straighten this hair, you can curl it, you can do whatever. The lace lays flat on the skin, and I did not apply any concealer or anything in the parting space. I should have did it because off camera it looked good, but on camera it looks like I should apply some right there. But off camera it looks really good in the parting space, so that's why I didn't apply any. I don't know what I was thinking though, but nonetheless it does look good in person. And then the color is, I think the color is pretty. I just feel like with this kind of color you need to be dressed up or going somewhere or I don't know. But on their site it is showing that this unit is $268.76. They do have Sezzle and Zip Pay, so you can make payments to get this unit. Y'all see I missed the back. I missed the back straightening hair, but other than that the hair did straighten good. Like I said, there wasn't too much shedding at all, so I will leave the link down below where you can purchase this unit at, so make sure to click that link, and I will see you guys in my next video.